In a certain positive fraction, the denominator is greater than numerator by 3 if 1 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator. The fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. Find the fraction. So how to proceed? Let's the numerator be x, so denominator be x plus 3. The fraction x divided by x plus 3 according to the equation x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to x divided by x plus 3 minus 1 by 14. So firstly, let us simplify the right hand side, that is the right hand side x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to this much, and x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to this much. After that the cross multiplication, a little bit simplification, after that factorize, after that you will get x plus 9 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So either x plus 9 will be is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the value of the x will be minus 9 or 4. So the value of x is equal to 4 since minus 9 is a negative number. So we will not take minus 9. So when substitute the value of x is equal to 4, the fraction x divided by x plus 3 will be 4 by 7. So the required fraction is 4 by 7. Come to the next problem. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a certain positive fraction is 8. If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is increased by 4 by 35. Find the fraction. So how to proceed? Let the denominator be x and the numerator will be 8 minus x. So the obtained fraction 8 minus x divided by x. So according to the question, we can write that the 8 minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 8 minus x divided by x plus 4 by 35. After that a little bit simplification, after that taking LCM, after that cross multiplication, after that a little bit few step simplification, after that divide by 4 just to reduce the burden, after that middle term factorization. You can take the screenshot. I am trying to tell you in a more easiest way so that you can easily capture. You can take the screenshot of this particular page. So ultimately it will be x minus 28 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So values of the x will be 5 and or 28. So the value of the x is equal to 5 since 28 is not possible, as sum of the numerator and denominator is 8. So when substitute the value of x is equal to 5, the fraction 8 minus x divided by x, we get 8 minus 5 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. So the required fraction is 3 by 5 will be the answer. Come to the next problem. A 2-digit number contains the bigger at tens place. The product of the digits is 27 and the difference between the two digits is 6. Find the number. So how to proceed? Let us consider the units digit be x, So 10 digits x plus 6, the number will be x plus 10 into x plus 6, that comes to ultimately 11x plus 60. So according to question, x into x plus 6 is equal to 27. After that, one line simplification. After that, the middle term factorization. You will get x plus 9 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of the x will be either 3 or minus 9. So value of the x will be 3, since minus 9 is a negative number. So the number 11x plus 60, so it is coming ultimately 93 will be the answer. Come to the next problem. A 2-digit positive number is such that the product of its digits is 6. If 9 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. So let us consider the 2-digit number be xy. So the formation, as you know, 10x plus y. Reverse digit will be yx, that is 10y plus x. So according to the question, 10x plus y plus 9 is equal to 10y plus x. After that, it is given that xy is equal to 6. So y will be is equal to 6 by x. So by substituting the values in the above equation, we will get 10x plus 6 divided by x plus 9 is equal to 10 into 6 by x plus x. After that, take the LCM. After that, the divide by 9, reducing the burden on that particular equation. After that, middle term factorization, you will get x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So values of the x ultimately coming to 2 or minus 3. So minus 3 we will not take, as it is a negative figure. Now substitute the value of the x in y. So y is equal to 6 divided by x. So we will get y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the 2-digit number will be 10x plus y is equal to 10 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 23, and that 23 will be the answer. Come to the next problem. A rectangle of area of 105 centimeter square has its length equal to x centimeter. Write down its breadth in terms of x, given that the perimeter is 44 centimeter. Write down an equation in x and solve it to determine the dimension of the rectangle. Very interesting sum. Come to the solution part. Let's the perimeter of rectangle is 44, that is given over there, 44 centimeter. So length plus breadth is equal to 44 by 2 is equal to 22 centimeter. So let us consider the length be x. So breadth will be 22 minus x. So according to the question, x into 22 minus x is equal to 105. After that, 2-step simplification. After that, mid-term factorization. Each and every sum, the system is the same. Just follow the system, copy the system, not copy the sum. So it will be coming x minus 15 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So ultimately x will be equal to either 7 or 15. Since length is greater than the breadth x, so 7 is not possible or admissible. So length will be 15 centimeter, breadth will be 22 minus x is equal to 22 minus 15. is equal to 7 centimeter. Come to the next problem. A rectangle garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete walk of uniform width. Given that the area of the walk is 120 square meters, assuming the width of the walk to be x, form an equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. Come to the solution part. Length of the garden 16 centimeter, width is that 10 centimeter. So let the width of walk be x meter. So outer length will be 16 plus 2x. Outer width will be 10 plus 2x. So according to the question, we can form this equation: 16 plus 2x into 10 plus 2x minus 16 into 10 is equal to 120. After that, what you have to do? Nothing. 1 or 2 steps simplification. Divided by 4 to take down the burden. After that, mid-term factorization. The values of the x will be coming to 2 or minus 15. So minus 15 is a negative figure. So we can't take minus 15. The values of the x will be only 2. Come to the next problem. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 5 meter. If the breadth was doubled and the length reduced by 9 meter, the area of the rectangle would have increased by 140 meters square. Find its dimension. Very good sum. So let us consider the length of the rectangle will be x meter. So width will be x minus 5 meter. Area just length into breadth, that will be x into x minus 5. In the second case, length x minus 9. Width will be 2 into x minus 5. So area, so x minus 9 into 2 into x minus 5. So 2 into x minus 9 into x minus 5 square meter. Whenever you are mentioning area, please mention either square or meter square. Now according to the question, this one is equal to this one, that is the 2 into x minus 9 into x minus 5 is equal to x into x minus 5 plus 140. After that, a little bit simplification. After that, if mid-term factorization. After that, values of the x will be either 25 or minus 2. The length of the first rectangle will be 25. As 2 is a negative figure, we can't take 2. So width will be x minus 5, that is 25 minus 5, that is the 20 meters. So area 25 into 20, that is 500 meter square. The perimeter of a rectangle plot is 180 meter and its area is 1800 meter square, that is 1800 meter square. Take the length of the plot as x meter. Use the perimeter 180 meter to write down the value of the breadth in terms of x. Use the value of length, breadth and the area to write an equation in x. Solve the equation to calculate the length and breadth of the plot. See the solution. Given the perimeter of the rectangular field is 180 meter and area 1800 meter square. So perimeter of the 2 into length plus breadth. So length plus breadth, perimeter by 2, use it, that is the x plus breadth is equal to 180 by 2. Ultimately breadth will be equal to 90 minus x. Now the area of the rectangular field is given, length into breadth is equal to 1800. So x into 90 minus x will be 1800. Just two step simplification. After that the midterm factorization, you will get the values of the x will be 30 or 60. The length is greater than its breadth, so therefore for the rectangular field, length will be 60 and breadth will be 30 meter. Very interesting sum. Come to the next problem. The length of the parallel sides of a trapezium are x plus 9 centimeter and 2x minus 3 centimeter, and the distance between them is x plus 4 centimeter. If its area is 540 centimeter square, find x. So we know that the area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Please write down the formula or memorize the formula. So given the length of the parallel sides are x plus 9 and 2x minus 3 and height x plus 4. So as per the given condition, we can write 1 by 2 into x plus 9 plus 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 540. After that nothing, a little bit simplification. Again divided by 3, just reduce the burden on the equation. After that midterm factorization, all sums are similar type. So x will be equal to 16 or minus 22. So here minus 22 is not possible as it is a negative figure. Therefore x will be equal to 16 will be the answer. Come to the next problem. If the perimeter of the rectangular plot is 68 meter and the length of its diagonal is 26 meter, find its area. Perimeter is equal to 68 and diagonal 26 meter. So length plus breadth is equal to perimeter by 2. That comes to 34 meter. So consider the length of the rectangular plot to be x meter, then breadth will be 34 minus x meter. Now the diagonal of the rectangular plot is given by length square plus breadth square is equal to diagonal square as per the Pythagoras theorem. So put the values. After that little bit simplification. After that divided by 2 just to reduce the burden on the equation. After that factorization method. As you know, each and every sum are these types. So x minus 10 into x minus 24 is equal to 0. The value of the x will be either 24 or 10. As length is greater than its breadth, so length will be 24. And breadth will be 34 minus 24, that is 10 meter, and area of the rectangular plot will be 24 into 10, that is 240 meter square. If the sum of two smaller sides of a right angle triangle is 17 centimeter and the perimeter is 30 centimeter, then find the area of the triangle. So what is given? The perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeter. So let's assume the length of one of the two small sides as x. So then the other sides will be 17 minus x centimeter. So the length of the hypotenuse will be perimeter minus sum of other two sides, that is 30 minus 17 centimeter, that comes to 13 centimeter. So according to the problem we can use the Pythagoras theorem. that is x square plus 17 minus x square is equal to 13 square. Then after few steps simplification, dividing by 2 just to reduce the burden on that particular equation. After that use the midterm factorization method, you will get x is equal to 5 or 12. So first side 5 centimeter, second side will be 17 minus 5 is equal to 12 centimeter, and when x is equal to 12, the second side will be 5 centimeter. So the area of the triangle 1 by 2 into 5 into 12, that comes to 30 centimeter square. Come to the next problem. The hypotenuse of a grassy land in the shape of right angled triangle, right triangle or right angled triangle, is 1 meter more than twice the shortest side. If the third side is 7 meters more than the shortest side, find the sides of the grassy land. So consider the shortest side be x, so hypotenuse will be 2x plus 1 and the third side will be x plus 7. After that form the equation as per the Pythagoras theorem. Just 2 or 3 steps simplification, dividing by 2 just to reduce the burden. After that midterm factorization method, you will get x minus 8 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So values will be either 8 or minus 3. So as measurement cannot be negative, we have to take only 8. So shortest side will be 8 meter. Third side x plus 7, that is 8 plus 7 is equal to 13 meter. Hypotenuse will be 2x plus 1, that comes to 17 meter. Then come to the chapter test. X square plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. So factorize as per the middle term theorem is concerned. After that you will get the values of x either 2 or minus 8. Nothing is there. More difficult sums that I have discussed previously. Come to the next problem. 3x square plus 11x plus 10 is equal to 0. Just factorize as per the middle term. You will get 3x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So either 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, x will be is equal to 5 by 3, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, x will be minus 2. Come to the next problem. 2x square plus x minus a square is equal to 0. After that the same way we will proceed. First midterm factorization method, and you will get 2x minus a into x plus a is equal to 0. So if 2x minus a is equal to 0, the values of x will be a by 2, and if x plus a is equal to 0, the values of the x will be minus a. Come to the next problem. Root over 3x square plus 10x plus 7 into root 3 is equal to 0. So how to proceed? The same way. Just the midterm factorization method, and after 2 or 3 step simplification, you will get the value of the x will be 7 divided by root 3 and minus root 3. You can take a screenshot. I am not going to the each and every step because only 2 and 3 steps are there. Come to the next problem. X into x plus 1, x plus 2, x into x plus 3 is equal to 42. So the second term, that is x plus 2 into x plus 3, just multiply. After that just addition, reduce a little bit, dividing by 2. After that the midterm factorization method, you will get the values of the x will be equal to minus 6 and 3. Come to the next problem. 6 divided by x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. First do the LCM, after that cross multiplication, after that mid-term factorization method, you will get the values of the x will be either 4 by 3 or 3. Come to the next problem. Root over x plus 15 is equal to x plus 3. Just square both the sides. That root over will be vanished. After that, go as your own way. After that, x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. After that, the mid-term factorization method, you will get x minus 1 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. So values of the x will be either 1 or minus 6. So you can, let's check also the right hand side as well as the left hand side. Okay, so here the right hand side will be minus 3 and left hand side will be 3. So thus left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 2 is not a root. Then put x is equal to 1. Then see, left hand side will be equal to 4. Right hand side also will be equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, proved. So 1 will be the root of this equation. Come to the next problem. Root over 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. So first I will squaring both the sides and this root over will be vanished. After that, simple addition. After that, factorize. After that, you will get the values of the x. Either it will be either 1 or 5. Now you can check. Put 5. Left hand side will be 8 and right hand side will also be 8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So x is equal to 5 is a root. Now put x is equal to 1. In the left hand side, put 1, you will get 0. In the right hand side, put 1, you will also get 0. So left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So the values of the x will be 1 as well as 5 both. Solve the following equation by using the formula, that is 2x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So as we have done previously, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a will be 2, b will be minus 3 and c will be minus 1. Now x will be equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Put the values of the a, b and c. You will get d is equal to 17. After that, put it in that particular format. You will get the value of the x will be 3 plus root over 17 by 4 and 3 minus root over 17 by 4. Come to the next problem. X into 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. First do the left hand side, or the right hand side. Taking the LCM, you will get 6x square plus x minus 12 will be equal to 0. So a will be equal to 6, b will be equal to 1, c will be minus 12. After that, use the same formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and put the values of the a, b and c. You will get the values of the x will be 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 2. Come to the next problem. Here two problems are there, 1 and 2. Let's solve one by one. So as you know, just cross multiplication. After that, few step simplification, you will get x square minus 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. Now take that equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 as the standard form of the quadratic equation. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 11. After that, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 ac by 2a. Put the figures and you will get the values 2 plus root over 15 and 2 minus root over 15. Come to the next problem. 2 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 1. is equal to 4 divided by x plus 4 minus 3 divided by x plus 3. So first doing the LCM, after that you will get this much figure, after that cross multiplication you will get x will be is equal to minus 5 by 2. So if x is equal to 0, then put 0 divided by something, which actually true. So therefore the value of the x will be either 0 or minus 5 by 2. Okay, come to the next part. As it is given over there, x not equal to 4 by 3. Okay, and in the second question it is given x not equal to 0 and not equal to minus 3 by 2. So let's do one by one. The first not equal to 4 by 3, first write it, after that taking LCM, after that the cross multiplication, after that dividing by 9 just to reduce the equation, after that put the values x, that a will be 2, b will be minus 17, c will be 30. So by using the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, after that put the values of a, b and c, you will get the values of the x will be 6 and 5 by 2. So 6 or 5 by 2, any one. Come to the next problem. 4 by x minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 2x plus 3. So x not equal to 0 or minus 3 by 2. First take the LCM. After that a little bit simplification, divided by 6 just to reduce it. After that a will be is equal to 1, b will be is equal to 1, c will be is equal to minus 2. After that use the formula, x will be is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So put the values of the a, b and c in that particular equation. So you will get the values of the x will be is equal to 1 or minus 2.